Guys, we got a 2003 Honda Accord V6 stick shift manual. Very rare to find these. They only made, I think, not that many on the V6 in the manual transmission. It's got factory converters there, and a third converter there. Then we cut everything off, as you guys can see. They had two resonators, so we took them off, put pipe in their place, 2 1/4. Then continued his dual exhaust, cut the two mufflers off, there, and then put 5-inch blue flame tips, as you guys can see, there and there. Came out really beautiful. He's going to the Nashville Cars and Coffee on Saturday. So if you guys see this car in Nashville Cars and Coffee, tell him what's up, I guess. There's the two mufflers we cut off, the two resonators, there and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a sec. Hope you guys like it. Oh, so much better. There you go. You gotta remember it's got 3 cats on it, but it sounds good. Here's sound decibels. That's awesome. What do you guys think? Let us know. That sounds so good. Honda Accord V6 manual transmission. Do you have a cold air intake on it yet? Do you have a cold air? Get in a cold air too. We'll open it up a lot. What do you guys think? Let us know. Here, let you hear on the inside. Honda Accord 2003. So much better. Straight pipe, duals into 5-inch tips.